I'm now here in Boracay Island. This is the best destination, the best beach in the Philippines. I'm now here specifically at Station 3. Later on, I'm going to go to Station 2 and Station 1. Do a little bit of trekking. This afternoon, I'm going to do parasailing. This is one of the best things to do here in Boracay. Right now, I'm just enjoying the beach. Again, Boracay is #1 beach in the Philippines. If you have time, you try to visit this. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in Boracay. Bye guys!